Welcome to one more video on CNC Router Machine. Today I am going to introduce you one special machine that will be very useful for the people who are in the door manufacturing industry. Because when you want to go for more creativity, more productivity and profitability, CNC router is going to play a big role. It's very important that you have to select the right kind of machine. When your aim is clear, you want to produce, then you can look for the right system, optimized system for your application. This video is about a machine, a CNC router production system that can help you to bring more creativity in your door manufacturing business. Hi, I am Pradeep Kumar KP. I am your CNC router success coach. I am here to help more than 100,000 of people who have no proper guidance how to start a new business based on CNC router machine. And also for those people who have already invested in CNC router machine and stuck with problems in running and scaling up the business. So let us see this particular system, how it works. This is a more automated system where the machine automatically pick the raw material, then placing into the router machine, and this router machine have multiple head, horizontal head, drill head, router head, and also work from both sides. So with a lot of features, this can help you to make 200 doors that it would per shift, like that. If you in an 8-hour shift, if you are going to for the production, you can take almost 200 doors in 8-hour shift. That is almost 2 to 3 minutes per door. So whatever the things what you want to do, you must be clear, and you can do milling for the lock hole. Okay, then also you can do it for the hinges. Then if you want to put some door closing mechanism, no automatic door closing mechanism, for that also you want to do some drilling in the top of the door, and all those kind of beyond that you can also do some designs or carving also on top of that. That is not shown in this video, but you can do that also with this CNC router machine. So you have multiple benefits and multiple things you can do in a single machine. And also automizing the material handling, it becomes very easy to go for a better creativity and better production, and definitely you are going to get a good profit out of this business. So you can check out for more details. You can mail to me, or you can ask in the comment if you have any clarification about this machine, and the right people will reach to you regarding this. This particular video is from a professional Chinese manufacturer. They are doing awesome machines for the CNC router applications. So you can put in the comments what all more information you want, or also you can mail to me in the below email ID. I already told you that I'm a CNC router success coach, and if you want to make a conscious decisions to invest in a CNC router machine, if you want to make sure that your investment in CNC router is going to work for you, also if you want to create multiple streams of revenue from CNC router machine, I have created a systematic, structured and result oriented success training using CNC router machine. So if you want to know more about this, you can see the link given below. You can log in for registering for the webinar. And also if you like this kind of videos and more information, please don't forget to subscribe. Also give a like, and also for getting notification on these kind of videos from me, you can also press the bell button. So thank you for watching. Wait for more CNC router information knowledge. Thank you very much. and all the best. God bless you.